Hello, welcome to our Tambo OS Hackathon project. So we have built this product for the C-level executives like CEO, CTO, where they have lot of product that they have to go through. Like they have Slack, Gmail, they have all the information scattered around. So we have built this product for the company's data. So here you can do all the integrations about Slack, Gmail, Notion, Calendar, Jira, GitHub, and you can have a simple chat interface and can get all the smart analytical platforms, actions, enterprise security. So let's start and let me sign up and get you started. So I have set up my company Tambo OS and we are using Clerk for the multi-organization management and for the security part. So we have created the organization and I have a user membership in it. And let me do all the necessary integrations that I want. So we have added the necessary Gmail and Google Calendar integration with Slack as well. So let me start it with, hi there, who are you and what you can do for me?
Here's what I can do for you. I'm your executive intelligence assistant. First, I can triage your inbox.
So we have this audio integrated so that it's quicker for you to listen and get your action through. So let me walk through you a scenario. So I am a CEO and I have a lot to manage. So I'm starting my day to go over through, okay, what is happening around the company. So I got the necessary details that I wanted. So all the departments I can see, and there is a specific blocker in the finance department about the hackathon timeline. So if I go into Slack and if I see, yes, we do have something, a blocker about it. So let me ask, okay, when can I schedule a meeting with the finance department to resolve this blocker? Show me what is my schedule for today's and tomorrow. So as we can see, we have a meeting tomorrow 10 a.m. and 3:40 p.m. And if I have to verify, I can see, yes, we do have this two meeting. And I can see I have an available slot at today 9 a.m. and tomorrow 1:15. So schedule me a meeting with the finance department at this time for 30 minutes. As you can see, we have a meeting booked for tomorrow at 1:15 for the 30 minutes. So we can see it in the calendar as well. We got a meeting booked. So that's how it is easier to use Tambo OS for all your management. Let me walk through you some of the more examples that we have. So I went through another example of showing me all the important emails. So these are some of the security related concerns which are in the urgent mode. And if I have to verify, yes, I do have those as well. So that's about it. It's for the C-level executive to get all your work done in a single place. Thank you.